Hi guys, today I'm going to introduce to you our newest Nano UVClean LED panel, the G2 Nano. We launched our first generation of the Nano panel with LED UVC chips and the Nano technology a few months ago. And now we upgrade this system with UVC 254 nanometer wavelength and 360 selectable. It is now a scientific engineered air sanitizing, air germicidal, air purification system with general lighting function. The lighting and germicidal function are controlled separately. Now let's see the structure of the Nano G2 LED panel. Just like the first generation, the Nano UVClean LED panel is 2 feet by 2 feet. It is 600 mm times 600 mm. It fits for recessed, surface mount, and pendant installation. These are the 4 air inlets and 4 air outlets. There are total 4 filters in the air inlet, 2 in each side, 1, 2, and 1, 2, using non-woven fabric with our unique nano technology. The air goes into the casing by these 4 inlets and goes out from the outlets after the germicidal function by the UVC tubes and the nano technology. Now let's see the filters. The filters are used for both blocking the dust from the fan inside and also act as the first step of the killing of the virus with its nano technology inside the filter. These filters are designed to change every 2000 hours. And this is the indicator, and this is the reset button for change of the filters. Now we come to the lighting part. In this G2 version, we upgrade from single CCD to 3 CCD version. You can choose 3000, 4000 and 5000 Kelvin by this dip switch. And it is 30 watts with 110 lumen per watt. The total lumen of this lamp is 3300 lumen. It's PMMA LGP, non-yellowish, up to 5 years, and it is 0 to 10 watt dimmable. And most importantly, it is with the nano material coating on this surface for killing the virus even when the light is not on. Now let's see the back of the Nano LED panel. This round iron plate is for surface mount and pendant installation. It is also used for the safety ropes. Now let's see what's inside. In the center, we use an industrial centrifugal fan. The air comes in from these 4 inlets with filters and goes into the case. This is the case. In the case, the air is sanitized by the 254 nanometer wavelength UVC tube and the nano coating. And then, because of the centrifugal fan, the clean air goes out to the outlet through these 4 channels. The centrifugal fan can work non-stop 100,000 hours to ensure the long life, and the noise is less than 40 decibels. This is a very important part because in the market you will find some similar products using some computer fans but will last only a few thousand hours. Then the whole lamp will be out of function. So remember, the lifetime of the fan is very important for air sanitizing. Now let's see the key parts of the G2 Nano UVClean LED panel. We have 254 nanometer UVC tube and the nano technology inside the case. When the air goes in from the 4 air inlets through the filters, the air is germicided and sanitized. Then the centrifugal fan will push the clean air out through the air outlet. Thus, the air is sanitized and viruses are killed. Here are some scientific research showing the germicidal function of the 254 nanometer wavelength UVC tubes. It is the most effective way for air sanitizing and air germicidal use, killing the most common virus and bacteria by over 99.99%. And our test report from SGS lab also proved that the germs and bacteria are deactivated by over 99.99%. Most importantly, there is a new research done by the Tokyo Institute of Technology who published a report. You can read this report by clicking this link below. The report shows that the nanotechnology can effectively deactivate the COVID-19 by 99.99% or more after 4 hours. Our Nano UVClean LED panel is using the same nanotechnology, which means that our Nano UVClean LED panel is capable of killing the COVID-19. To conclude, this Nano UVClean LED panel uses 254 nanometer wavelength UVC tubes and nanotechnology to kill virus over 99.99%, even including the COVID-19. It has a very durable centrifugal fan for 100,000 hours lifetime air sanitizing. We have also a unique design to make the UVC tube working longer for 10,000 hours, but not a few thousand hours as the other suppliers do. The filters are very important to block the dust from the fan to ensure the germicidal effect for a long time use. Last but not the least, the 360 selectable lighting and air purifier system are controlled separately. Our Nano UVClean LED panel is a high quality, high efficiency, durable germicidal use for air sanitizing, air purification and lighting system. It can be used for many applications such as the dust-free rooms, hospitals, public areas, schools, offices, kindergartens, and so on. Contact us for more detailed specs and pricing information. You can also join us for video conferences to know more about this Nano UVClean LED panel. Join us and let's make a safer space together.